welcome to the keerthi. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and let's just move on. Today I'm going to show you my grandmom's house. It's going to house tour. Let's start. So here is my grandma. And here is one of the bedroom. Let me just show you the hall and then we go to the bedrooms. And here is one of the antique piece TV. I know we're not gonna find such TVs now, but still, it's antique, it's good, old as gold. And then when you just move, you have this arch which is actually painted. So this looks so cool here. And a small little old table here to just keep on things randomly, that's it. And here we have the show wall where we can put a lot of showpieces, but anyways, we don't have any, but we're using it for good. Yes. Come. And here is the master bedroom. This master bedroom. Simple, sweet, cute, that's it. Put out things here. And we have this bathroom here. I'm not going to show you bathroom, but yeah, this is the bathroom. And you have some store area where you just put some random thing. And then we go into the mandiram. and that used to be my grandmom's old house before this was constructed. So that has really like that is almost in the stage of being destructed. I will show you. So you can take like really pictures here. So yeah, you're gonna see more pictures. And here we have some olyalu being dried out in sun. These are Budgumukkai olyalu. These are really famous over here, and these you have to fry in the oil to get that crunchy taste, and these are really tasty. So we're gonna take all this home. Well, that literally that concludes the house tour. I really think you really enjoyed watching this small little house tour. This is completely unplanned. I did not get my mic, I did not get my tripod, so I think you really enjoy watching this. And if you do, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And also like this video if you like this video, and comment down below what sort of videos you like to watch on this channel. I'll meet you in another video. Until then, bye.